Hello everyone, it's Blooming Mora, your trusted money coach, and today I'm kicking off something exciting. Here's the deal. Every last Friday of the month, I'm going to be investing $100 into Bitcoin. Nothing fancy, just simple, consistent investing. Through this challenge, I want to show you how simple and powerful dollar cost averaging is, irrespective of where you're watching from. Whether you're watching me from Canada or from the US, Australia, New Zealand, Nigeria, whatever nation you're watching me from, you can participate in this Bitcoin challenge. The goal is for me to do this for 5 years. I don't know how that is going to pan out, but the goal is just to invest $100 Canadian into Bitcoin every last Friday of the month. No matter the country you're watching from, dollar cost averaging is applicable. Meaning that this doesn't just work in Canada or in the US or in Australia or in the UK. No, dollar cost averaging is just a simple investing strategy. Some of you might ask, what exactly is dollar cost averaging? This is simply where I invest a consistent amount over regular intervals over a long period of time. So for example, my goal is to invest $100 into Bitcoin every last Friday of the month for the next 5 years. Some of you might say, I want to invest $1,000. Some of you might say, I want to invest 10,000 Naira. It doesn't really matter. No matter the currency, dollar cost averaging works. Just pick whatever amount you want to invest and pick the schedule and just go ahead and buy the security that you want to buy. But it's also important for you to know that whatever I'm showing you here is not investment advice. I'm just sharing with you what I am doing. This is only for educational purposes only, and nothing in this video should be taken as investment or financial advice. So once you're ready, let's go in and I'm going to show you the platform that I'm going to be using. For Bitcoin, this you can buy anytime. Crypto trades 24/7. You don't have to buy exactly at the time that I'm buying. You can buy crypto, whether it's on your phone, your laptop, provided it's connected to the internet, you should be able to buy Bitcoin, okay? But this is just my own strategy. You don't have to copy it. I'm just sharing this challenge with you, and I want you to participate. How much are you investing? Are you investing $100, $1,000, $10,000, $1 million? Whatever the amount, I want to know. So let me know in the comment area below, okay? So let's jump in, and I'm going to be using Wealthsimple, okay? This is a platform that I'm going to be using. It's called Wealthsimple here in Canada, but you can use any crypto exchange. Whether you're in the US or in Australia, New Zealand, whatever country that you are, just pick a crypto platform that you want to buy on and just buy, okay? This is applicable anywhere, whether you're using Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, any of the crypto exchanges, you can buy Bitcoin, okay? So this is what I'm doing. I already logged in. So you can see here, I already have $100 here, total cash available. And right here, I'm just going to search for Bitcoin. And here it's just showing me the historical data for Bitcoin 1 hour ago, 24 hours ago, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 5 years. You can see that even over the past 5 years, it has gone up by over 1,000%. Over the past 1 year, it has gone up by 76%. The benefit of dollar cost averaging is for you to take out the emotion from investing, meaning that irrespective of the performance of the market, I'm just going to be buying $100 worth of Bitcoin. I'm going to be investing $100 into Bitcoin every last Friday of the month, okay? So as I said before, I'm using Wealthsimple here in Canada. I'm not buying Bitcoin Cash, just Bitcoin. I'm not buying Ethereum. I'm not buying Solana, just Bitcoin, okay? So here is showing me the chart for Bitcoin, and I'm just going to buy. I'm going to be using market order. You can use a limit order, but again, I just want to buy right away. I'm going to click on maximum, $100. I'm going to review this, and it's just loading up, and there is a fee already for this. And I'm going to click on submit order. And boom, I just bought Bitcoin. Okay, I just bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. So next month, we're going to come back again, and I'm going to deposit another $100 and buy Bitcoin. The goal is for us to do this for the next 5 years. So whatever amount that you're going to be investing, how much are you investing? Is it $100? Is it $200? $500? $1,000? Any amount, I want to know. Let me know in the comment area below. I understand that crypto can be very overwhelming, but again, ignore the noise. Participate, ignore the noise. Remember, I'm only sharing with you what I'm doing. None of this is investment or financial advice, but I'm looking at the chart. I'm looking at what Bitcoin has done historically. For the past 1 year, it's been up over 76%. For the past 5 years, it's been up over 1,000%. It just means that this is just one of the best ways to build wealth over time. Okay? So until then, I'll see you next month. Click on the subscribe button and share this with your friend. I want more people to know about this challenge. It's never too late to get started with investing. Until then, I'm Blooming Mora, your trusted money coach, and I teach you how to make your money work for you. May the market be in our favor always.